guys, it is Jen with Mother Time. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little decorating with some new dinnerware that I finally found. I've been on the hunt for it. I've been looking for it on eBay. Well, I found it on eBay. I was watching some pieces on eBay. I was looking around at local antique shops and I finally found it right around the corner from where I live too, believe it or not. And I got such an amazing price. It is Liberty Blue Dinnerware. It came out in 1975, the year I was born. And it's just so perfect for Independence Day, 4th of July. There's a bunch of different designs. It's blue and white, which I just love the colors. So I'm going to be doing a tablescape in my kitchen breakfast nook and then just adding a few other plates as decor in my home too, specifically in the kitchen, in the breakfast nook. Years past, I've done more decorating and adding more splashes of 4th of July throughout the home, but this year I'm just keeping it very simplified just to that area, and I'm just going to be using these plates. Closer to 4th of July, I may add some flags here and there and definitely outside too. But for inside this year, I'm just keeping it simple and fresh. And when I found this Liberty Blue dinnerware, at first I was just going to use a couple of plates and put them on plate stands in the kitchen just for that little pop of blue, little pop of 4th of July, because I love the patterns on them, and I'm going to show them to you in just a second. So I got them home, I put them on the plate stands. I said, you know what, I need to go get more. So I ended up running down, picking up more because she had some more pieces. And then before I knew it, I did a really pretty tablescape too. So I cannot wait to show you my inspo for the tablescape, and for that whole area is Williamsburg. I absolutely love Williamsburg. Let me know in the comments below if you've been to Williamsburg. It is just such a pretty place to go and wander and visit. We used to live in Fredericksburg, Virginia. My kids were actually born in Fredericksburg before we moved back up to Western New York in the Buffalo area when they were just a few months old. But we lived in Fredericksburg and it was a short drive to Williamsburg, so we would go down there. I loved going there for Christmas. We've taken the kids back since they probably, I think like 6 years ago was the last time we were there. It's just, I love it there. It just is a great way to step back in time. And this is what the plates reminded me of. So I've been on the hunt, I've seen them, but I got such a spectacular price on them and I can't wait to show you. So first of all, what I was first going for, and what I actually was almost going to buy on eBay, I thought having a few of these beautiful, this is Independence Hall. Now the collection has 15 different patterns that have Colonial America. I actually did write a little blog post about this too, so I'll include a link for it in the description below. And there's actually a book, and I have the book too. I'll show it to you in just a second. So this is the Liberty Blue, the dinner plate, which has got Independence Hall on it. What I love about these plates too, you guys, is that they were made in England, and there is the emblem on there as well, which I just love, and they will tell you what it is. So Independence Hall is right here. And then it has your Liberty Blue, historical colonial scenes. So there's dinner plates, there are dessert plates, there's soup bowls, there's even platters, and I'll show you the book here in just a second, because if you are a collector of Liberty Blue, let me know in the comments below. I would love to know. But also too, you may want to grab your hands on this book, which I'll include a link for as well. So that is the dinner plate. So first I was just going to get a couple of these dinner plates. So if you are looking to start a collection now that you've seen these, or you've been on the hunt for these too, maybe start out with just a few plates and put them on a plate stand, or maybe you have a spot on your wall that you can hang these. What a great and simple and subtle and timeless and classic way to decorate for 4th of July than with these plates. Aren't they beautiful? So I first just got a couple of those, and then once I put them on the plate stands, and I just love the way it made the breakfast nook pop, the kitchen nook pop, I ended up going to get more. I also got a set of the dessert plates or salad. I think these are more of it could be, I think I should actually check in my book. These plates. This is Washington leaving Christchurch. Isn't that pretty? I love the scenery. And again, all of these have your historic American colonial scenes, and there's the emblem on the back there. Just making sure it can, look at that. So cool. What a great way to decorate for 4th of July, right? But these are great. These are timeless. These are classic. So you can decorate with these year round if you like. But I just thought these were so perfect for Independence Day and 4th of July. I also picked up a few of these little probably bread bowls or bread plates This is Monticello. Look at those. So if you have, but you can check your antique stores, even check thrift stores. eBay is also a great place to find one. So if you want to maybe just add a few to your collection to use, like I said before, a plate stand. I just think it's so pretty on a plate stand. And then, so we're going to go into the kitchen here after I show you this, and I'm going to do a tablescape, very simple and subtle tablescape. I'm going to add a few plates also around in the kitchen nook. And it's just that simple, subtle, timeless touch of 4th of July, Independence Day. And that's about the extent. You could add some flags too if you wanted to, but I just love it. So this one is the Monticello. They also had darling little teacups too, which has Paul Revere on it. I just thought these were so cute. Look at that. I mean, how perfect. So I ended up, just so you know, because I'm sure you're probably wondering, what did I get the plate? So I originally had a few on my watch list on eBay for the Independence Hall plates. And I think I got an offer for $8.50 plus shipping was like $9. So it was close to almost 20. I got each dinner plate for $5 a piece. And then I got these, I think she sold them to me for $3 a piece. I think she sold these to me for like $1. And then the teacups, I think she gave me 4 for $5. So such a deal. And I have a few of them back here too. So pretty, isn't it? So I absolutely love these pieces. Now I'm going to show you the books. And if you are a collector of the Liberty Blue Dinnerware, you may want to grab this book if you haven't already. I got it on Amazon. I'll include a link for it in the description below. But it's great. It talks all about the Liberty Blue Dinnerware, shows you pictures. I love seeing the pictures in here of the promotional pictures. Again, this came out in 1975. It was a promotional set that you would get when you'd open up a bank account. It was only used for a couple of years, and then they discontinued it at the bank, but then you could find it at some grocery stores as well. Of course, there was pieces that you could buy, like the additional add-on pieces, and then it was kind of like disappeared in the early 80s. So it's a great book to flip through, learn about all of the different pieces, where you could find the pieces. A great little read to find or just to add into your collection. So I'll include a link for that again in the description below if you want to learn a little bit more about the Liberty Blue Dinnerware. Okay, you guys, so I'm really excited to head into the kitchen and do a tablescape using this beautiful Liberty Blue Dinnerware. And then I'm going to make a yummy no-bake blueberry cheesecake. It is so simple and easy and perfect for all of your summer gatherings and 4th of July too. If you are new here to my channel, again, welcome. I love sharing home decor, cooking, and DIY here on my channel. So if those are videos that you enjoy watching, click the subscribe button below so you never miss a video. Okay, you guys, grab yourself a nice tea or a lemonade, sit back, relax, and let's head into the kitchen and get started. First, here's a peek at how the kitchen breakfast nook looks right now. Just clean and simple, and I'm so excited to add this beautiful Liberty Blue dinnerware throughout this space. First off, I'm going to switch out the plates, and I just love that pop of blue instantly here. And then I'm also going to add a teacup and saucer. This was a quick and easy change, and I love how timeless and classic this looks. Moving over to the table, I'm going to begin by adding these white chargers at each place setting. Next, I'm going to add on top of each charger a dinner and salad plate. I really love the way these beautiful plates pop on top of these white chargers. I did try the plates on top of some other chargers I own, and they just didn't look as good as they do on the white chargers. I always love taking my time setting the table. It is so relaxing, and I just get such joy of doing this and then thinking of all of the memories we will make when gathered around the table. And I love this flatware. It is so simple and classic. It is the Oneida Colonial Boston, and I will include a link for it in the description below. Next, I'm going to add some napkins, and I don't want to cover these beautiful plates, so I'm just going to set the napkins off to the side. Moving on to the center of the table, I'm going to keep the wooden bowl and white pitcher and add some pewter candlesticks and a round wicker basket that I recently found at the same antique shop that I got this dinnerware from. And finally, to balance the Liberty Blue that I have going on in this space, I'm also going to add a few more plates on some plate stands on this table as well. Love the way this space turned out and the pop of blue from the dinnerware. Just a few little touches here and there totally transformed the space. And even little Oreo is happy. Now it's time to make a super easy and yummy dessert. I am making no-bake blueberry cheesecake in a jar, but you could add any topping you want, strawberry, cherry, even apple, whatever your heart desires. I crushed 1 sleeve of graham crackers, that was 9 graham crackers, and adding my crushed graham cracker crumbs to a bowl along with 4 tablespoons of butter and a couple teaspoons of sugar. I'm going to mix this together and divide this mixture evenly in my jars. Once I have the graham cracker mixture in my jars, I'm going to tap it down. Now I'm going to set that aside and get to work on my cheesecake filling. First, I'm going to whip up 1 cup of heavy whipping cream until stiff peaks form. I'm going to put the whipped cream in a bowl and chill it in the refrigerator while I work on the rest of the filling. Next, I'm going to mix 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese in my mixer until it's creamy. Next, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, a little bit of fresh lemon zest, and a 1/3 cup of confectioner's sugar. And then I'm going to mix it all up until it's nice and creamy. Next, I'm going to fold in my whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture. Next, I'm going to add the filling to a bag with a piping tip so I can pipe the filling into the jars, or you could spoon it in as well. Next, I'm topping my cheesecake filling with pie filling. I'm going to be using blueberry, but you could use strawberry, cherry, apple, whatever flavor you want. I'm adding that on top of the cheesecake filling. You could use store-bought pie filling like I am, or make your own. Finally, I'm going to add the lids and then chill these in the refrigerator until I'm ready to serve. I love making these. They are so easy and portable, and everybody loves desserts in a jar. Okay, you guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and let me know in the comments below what you enjoyed the most. And for daily decor and DIY inspo, make sure you're following me over on Instagram at MotherTime. Thank you so much for spending some time with me here today. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.